Nothing wrong if you love me. Me love and care for you too. I mean, not push you aside, but me have feelings too. I mean, a human being, so me I go get hurt and worse. You of all person know how people hurt me and deal with me all the way and no care what happen. So at the end of the day, if me and your friend, suppose me there as a right as a no, and me start stink or me start, any little thing. You want to tell me say me can't call you and tell you say say me stink. Me supposed to me supposed to feel confident enough you can confide in you and tell you anything or everything. But if you're gonna do things like that now, oh, you're gonna expect them, you're gonna feel. Me, I gonna feel a little weird, like, oh, so you can just get up and put out anything. Remember, me is human being first, everything, me a human being, so me I gonna feel some type of way. And that's all me I said to you, me never say nothing else. Me supposed to can trust you, and me supposed to can confide in you, and me supposed to can feel like you're my friend, and me can call you and tell you everything or anything.
Say me and you a friend. I always in my inbox they say me and you a friend. So the reason why me put out the voice note what they Grace, it's just because me tired of you pushing me under the carpet. See you come and talk about your love and care for me. When we go up on Winford, you never address anything. When we do the interview and your baby father come out and leak it, you never say anything. You keep quiet. So the whole way you owe me, you want me to look at it, Grace. Me do everything what me can do for you. Me not gonna say if you have me your private affair, me go put them out there. But in order for me get a little limelight, for enhance my spiritual reading, right? Me have to put out a voice note just because me want prove a point by saying that, yes, me accurate. When that's something me shouldn't ask you to do, that is something you shouldn't do. So obviously you try to make me know that, oh, all these years where me and you are work, you just don't want to put me out there. You want to keep me under your feet. And then again, it don't look good, Gracie. At the same thing you do to all of the people, them, and me work with you. That's all me feel at the same thing you do to me. Now, the end of the day, if I should go out there and declare my own glory, me not gonna bring you down. It might seem like me want to bring you down when me ready for go out there, but the end of the day is Grace. You know what help me. And I call that ungrateful. And me beg you to post the video, and you know I post the video. So the end of the day is all me have to do I just go out and talk the truth. I will never tell lie upon you because you know me not tell lie. Me just gotta talk the truth, but the truth is going to hurt, Grace. The end of the day is me not understand how me I work with you all long, and you always never want to do nothing for me. And then again, me know if me go out there go tell the people them, say me I work with you free and me I help you. You're not gonna believe them, not gonna believe me. But the end of the day is just to free my heart. Grace, a long time now you have to help me and you go around me. Me can't take it no more. Do something before me go make the people them know everything.